Welcome to QTech Studio. Today's topic is super exciting, and I know many of you have been waiting for it. Every time I upload a video, I get tons of questions like, how do we create audio scripts? How can we turn text into video? What's the best way to edit videos? Well, today I've got the answers. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. I know how it feels. We all use separate tools for different tasks. One tool for text to video, another for image to video, something else for voiceovers, and a completely different one for video editing. It gets complicated. You end up buying multiple plans and spending a lot of money. But here's the good news. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to one amazing tool that does it all. Yes, all in one place. With this tool, you can turn text into videos, convert images into videos, generate realistic voiceovers, create animated avatars, and even edit your videos, all inside the same platform. Sounds unbelievable? I promise you, this is 100% real, and I'll show you proof in this video. So let's get started. And before we dive in, please like this video and subscribe to QTech Studio for more helpful content and free tools every week. Go to Google and search for a website called Edimaker. Click on the first link. I've also added it in the description below for quick access. Once you open the site, you'll see an amazing interface right on the home page. Click on Get Started Free and download the app. After downloading, log in with your registered email ID. As soon as you enter, you'll land on a powerful dashboard filled with incredible AI tools. Right in front, you'll see features like AI avatars, face swap, AI video generator, auto background removal, text-to-speech, voice cloning, and many more. On the right side, there's a section called AI video generator. And let me tell you, this is one of the most powerful tools in the app. Let's start by exploring the AI video feature. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see multiple AI tools, including AI effects, image to video, text to video, AI animation, and face swap. Yes, I've tested every single one of them, and honestly, the results are mind-blowing. Let's begin with image to video. Click Upload Image. Now, here's how I did it. I first generated a video prompt using ChatGPT, for example, car crash cinematic scene. Then generate images from any AI website, many tutorial available in my previous video. Once your image is ready, upload it to Edimaker. Match the frame size properly, then paste the same prompt you used earlier from ChatGPT. Next, choose your video duration, 5 seconds, 8 seconds, and make sure to select the highest video quality available. Click Generate, and within 50 seconds, boom! You'll get a hyper-realistic HD animated video that looks incredible. Let's try another example. Upload a new image, adjust the frame to square, portrait, or landscape, whatever suits your style. Now this time, try the stitch mode. In this mode, you can upload 2 images and combine them into one seamless video. Just drag both images, adjust the size, paste your prompt, select time and quality, and click Generate. And then, wow! The tool blends both images together perfectly. Let's try one more. Upload a different image, adjust the layout, paste the prompt, and again, the result is dazzling. I mean, seriously, boom, boom, boom. HD level cinematic output in seconds. Now try the text to video feature. Just paste the same prompt, adjust the settings like before, size, time, quality, and click Generate. It instantly turns plain text into visually stunning animated content. Super useful for storytelling, intros, or shorts. Let's test out animated video now. Drag and drop your image, click Generate, and boom! Once again, the tool delivers incredible motion, details, and quality. You can even apply AI effects directly within these videos to boost the look, from cinematic lighting to stylized animation effects, It's all built in. This one tool combines everything: text to video, image to video, voiceover, avatar creation, face swap, and editing. All in one place, no need to pay for 5 different tools. If you're serious about creating AI content easily and at a pro level, this is the tool for you. Try it out, experiment with the features, and create something amazing today. Now it's time to edit your videos. And the best part is, you don't need to leave the app or open any other software. Just stay right here inside Edimaker. Start by dragging your generated videos into the editing timeline. You can easily resize, split, or trim your clips, adjust the scale, and even control the opacity to create the exact visual style you want. What really makes this editor stand out is its built-in transitions, animations, and text effects. You can add beautiful text overlays with more than 100 stylish font presets, including dynamic titles, lower thirds, and animated captions. There are also tons of graphic elements available, like subscribe buttons, like icons, callouts, and more. Perfect for YouTube videos, Reels, or Shorts. In the audio section, you'll find a huge library of royalty-free background music and sound effects, so you can add the perfect vibe to your content without worrying about copyright issues. Moving to the Transitions tab, you'll get access to over 100 plus professional transitions like zoom in, zoom out, fade, slide, glitch, ripple, and more. Just drag and drop between your clips to make your video flow smoothly and look polished. There's also a powerful effects section, allowing you to add cinematic filters, color enhancements, light leaks, motion blur, and more advanced visual styles to elevate your project. And let's not forget subtitles, one of the most important features for modern video content. This tool lets you add custom subtitle styles with different fonts, colors, and animations. You can import local subtitle files or manually type and time them as needed, all within the editor. Everything you need, from video creation to full editing, is available in one place. No extra apps, no complicated software, and no extra cost. So go ahead, drag your clips in, get creative with transitions, add music and effects, drop in your subtitles, and you're done. Your high-quality, professional-looking video is ready to export and share with the world. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features in this tool, the text-to-speech function. This feature is absolutely amazing because it means you can now create a complete animated video from start to finish, all within one platform. You don't need any extra software for voiceovers. Just paste your script, choose from a wide range of voice options, and generate a natural, realistic voiceover in seconds. And it gets even better. You can also clone your own voice. That's right. The tool allows you to train it using your own voice, so your future videos sound just like you, only better and cleaner. With this feature, combined with AI video generation, animation tools, editing capabilities, transitions, subtitles, and effects, you're truly getting an all-in-one creative studio in one place. So what are you waiting for? Why not choose a tool that saves you time, money, and effort, and gives you everything you need to bring your content to life? And the price? It's shockingly affordable. Only $19.95 per month. And honestly, I haven't seen any other app offering this level of professional features, from AI video creation to editing to voiceover and even voice cloning, all under one roof. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.